Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new product, which is what I call Best of the Best Magic Collection, Volume 1. So in this new product, we're going to have 20 instructional videos here, and this is some of my very best material. Okay, I have something called the new Casting Shadows Coin Supreme Matrix, which is inspired from not only the shadow coins but many other things. This is exactly what the name says. This is an incredible matrix. Okay, so the new casting shadow coins supreme matrix. So it has a regular matrix and a backfire included within it, and that's just with the hands and the coins on that one. Then I have two other new matrix backfires. This is with 4 cards and 4 coins. So I showed two versions of that. Um, So that's 3 matrices right there. Then I have my new A-can. This is an incredible A-can. This is any card, any number. But with my version, they think of the card, they think of the number, they don't tell you because I include my new inflow glimpse, which can be used for any metalism effect, not only for A-cans, but for anything. It's an incredible technique that I show here, something I've created. Next, we have the 2-deck A-can. Any card, any number. This is an incredible plot. Next one we have is 10 cards to pocket, which is a classic effect created by Chuck Smith. He's one of the close friends of one of my mentors, Roger Klaus. Then I have the Three Musketeers card routine created by Jean Hugard. So this is mostly original magic in here with some of my renditions of the classics as well. Uh, Next up is a new click sound multiple coins vanish that I created. And this is really good coin vanish where you can hear the coins before they vanish with your sleeves rolled up with no lapping. You can do this standing or sitting with no lapping required and no gimmicks required. Okay, next is what I call Magnum Opus Travelers. This was created many years ago by my good friend Michael Little of Las Vegas and myself. We created it. It's inspired from the Invisible Travelers effect, which is a plot created by Larry Jennings, also been made famous by Peter Kane as well as many other magicians. Marlowe worked on it and many other people. This is got combined with um, Surprise Ending and Travelers as well. Next, we have what I call Make Your Mind Blank, and this is an incredible card to impossible location combined with a four aces combined with something else in it. Next, I have a version of the ambitious card I call the new computer card, which has Herb Zero's computer cut flourish in it and many other things. Next up is the new flying cards. This is from inspired from the Art of Magic by T. Nelson Downs, but I've upgraded it. And one of my favorite plots is the cards across, and there's so many versions. This one I wanted to do with a thought of card, or 3 thought of cards rather. You can do it with 1, 2, or 3. But however, in here, it's very incredible because what I do is the methodology. This is superior technique as well, and it's an incredible routine. So that would be the new flying cards. It's the new cards across. This can be done not only close up but also for parlor stage as well. Next up, we have new No Palm Travelers. It's my handle variation inspired from my mentor Alan Ackerman, and this is a really incredible routine as well. Next up, we have the new Real Gone Aces. This is inspired from my mentor Alan Ackerman, and it's got a traveler's kicker on it. Next up is the shape transposition. This was inspired from a Paul Harris routine called the, it was originally called the Strange Exchange, and what I've done is I've taken it to the next level where I make a card and coin change places 3 times. On the third time, I make the shape transpose, the coin changing into a square coin and the card into a round card. And this is a really incredible routine. This is original as well. Next, we have new touch turn poker. This is inspired from a Marlowe routine, and it is a modern variation of the divert and twist in the aces, but this has got superior handling on it. This is all modern superior handling as well. Next up, we have spectacle aces. This is one of my best. It's a super visual four ace, one at a time vanish, and one at a time, uh, or one at a time vanish, and then when they reappear all at once. And I take a silk and I wave it, and they visually vanish one at a time, and then all at once they reappear. This is really got good reviews from many top pro magicians, and this is spectacle aces. And next we have the triple rising cards. This is actually three cards. They can be signed. Of course, signed is better. Signed is best. Three signed cards shuffled in the pack by the spectators. You then, in the old school, you'd borrow a handkerchief, but you just use your handkerchief, which may be examined by the audience. And it's a triple signed card through the handkerchief penetration. So you have the first two. On the last one, you invert it, and it actually rises out. It can be combined with deck vanishes and other things. And here, this is my rendition of a classic effect, also from the Art of Magic, T. Nelson Downs, but with some new ideas. And finally, we have the Ultimate Reset, which is inspired from Paul Harris, but I've taken this many, many kickers, and this is, I feel, the best. There's been many put out, but nothing like this. It's a gambler versus a magician plot with a reset plot with a multiple kicker ending. So click on the link and get this today, and I hope you enjoy this new magic. Thank you very much.